Why long-term couples suddenly break up. We've all seen them, that couple. The ones who finished each other's sentences, whose laughter echoed through countless shared memories, whose love story felt like an epic. They were the benchmark, the forever we all secretly wished for. Then, one day, it's over. A sudden, jarring announcement that leaves everyone reeling. They broke up? The words hang in the air, heavy with disbelief. How could something so strong, so deeply rooted, simply collapse? This isn't about the dramatic fights or the obvious betrayals. This is about the silent storm, the unseen erosion that hollows out a relationship from the inside until one day it simply can't stand anymore. It's the heartbreaking reality of why long-term couples, who seemed invincible, suddenly find themselves standing in the wreckage of their shared future. The truth is, very few relationships end truly suddenly. What we perceive as sudden is often the final, visible manifestation of a long, gradual process. Think of it like a beautiful, old bridge. It can withstand countless storms, but if the foundations are slowly eroding, unseen, beneath the water, one day, a seemingly ordinary wave can bring it all down. So, what are these insidious forces? One of the most powerful is the drift. Over years, people change. We evolve, we grow, we discover new parts of ourselves, but sometimes in a long-term relationship, we fail to grow together. We stop being curious about who our partner is becoming. We assume we know them completely, intimately, because we always have. We might start saying, "I love you," out of habit, rather than genuine, present connection. We stop asking the deeper questions. We stop truly seeing each other, and little by little the emotional distance grows, until one day you realize you're living with a stranger you once knew everything about. Another silent killer is unspoken resentment. Every minor irritation, every unmet expectation, every time you felt unheard or unappreciated, if left unaddressed, doesn't just vanish. It accumulates. It's like collecting tiny stones in your pocket, one by one. Eventually, the weight becomes unbearable, even if you can't pinpoint the exact moment it started. And then there's the loss of self. In long-term partnerships, it's incredibly easy to merge identities, to define ourselves through the lens of we. We might sacrifice hobbies, friendships, or personal dreams to maintain the unit. But eventually, the individual within starts to yearn for expression, for rediscovery. When that yearning becomes too strong and the relationship feels like a cage rather than a sanctuary, the desire for personal liberation can become overwhelming. Here's an interesting fact, often overlooked. The infamous 7-year itch isn't entirely accurate. While many relationships face challenges around the 3 to 5 year mark as the initial honeymoon phase fades, studies suggest a significant peak in breakups actually occurs much later, often between 10 to 14 years into a relationship. This is precisely when those silent erosions have had ample time to take their toll. It's a testament to the fact that longevity doesn't equate to invincibility. So, what can we do? How do we protect our own forever? It starts with relentless, compassionate communication. Not just about what you did today, but about who you are becoming, what you're feeling, what you're dreaming. Ask deep questions and truly listen to the answers. What are you excited about lately? What's been challenging you? Is there anything you feel is missing? Prioritize individual growth within the relationship. Encourage each other to pursue passions, maintain friendships, and evolve. A strong partnership isn't about two halves making a whole. It's about two whole individuals choosing to build a life together. And perhaps most importantly, never take your love for granted. Love is not a static state. It's a living, breathing entity that needs constant nurturing, attention, and effort. It's about consciously choosing your partner every single day and making sure the small, tender moments don't get lost in the noise of life. The sudden collapse of a long-term relationship is a tragedy, but it's also a powerful lesson. It reminds us that love, no matter how strong, requires vigilance. It reminds us to cherish the present, to communicate openly, and to never stop growing, both individually and together. Because true forever isn't found in a lack of challenges, but in the unwavering commitment to face them together every step of the way. If this helps you, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.